Rancher Dan here with Rancher Dan's Garage. I got another kit in the mail. It is 1932 Cadillac v16 in 1/24 scale. And I'm going to unbox it for you now. This is a copyright 1980. First, here's the body. Nice, molded in kind of a bone color plastic. Look at that. Still put one piece. That'll make it easier to paint and prime. This is the interior tub. Looks like the doors, a little bit of detail work needed to be done there. Here's the sprue. The white walls. The top for the, if you want to have convertible up or convertible down. And then the rear of the car. Some nice tires, rubber, some black sprue trees. Oh, here's the clear plastic, not wrapped up, so it's kind of scratched. Oh well. Here's a sprue tree. Looks like the steering wheel, some engine parts, the lower half of the car, the fenders, pretty good detail on the engine. So that should be fun. The car, this is the Museum Classics. Here's the spare sprue and the fan plate. There's the frame. Yeah, all these cars in this particular line of kits have a frame that's you have to put together. It's not terribly hard. Here's the, there we go. There's the axle, radiator, exhaust, dual exhaust. That's kind of neat. Some chrome, nice chrome, good shape. It's Cadillac, and the instructions, nicely yellowed from its age. This is a 30-year-old kit, and just like all the other kits in this line, the instructions are not the best, but experienced modelers can figure it out. So there it is, the 1932 Cadillac in 1/24 scale V16. That was the ultimate power in the 30s. Having a 16-cylinder car. That was insane in that era. So this is Rancher Dan, and I will post videos and pictures of this build as it gets completed. So like, subscribe, share. This is Rancher Dan, Rancher Dan's Garage. See you in the next one.